Just a very quick tutorial about a drop link or front stabilizer link. I've got a Vauxhall Corsa 2009 and I've got this nasty mechanical noise. So if you listen, I will drive now. Listen to this mechanical noise. It's very, very nasty. Can you hear it? Yeah, here we go. Just like a knock, like a... you can hear it, yeah? And this is what it is. So I bought the stuff from Eurocar Parts. Cost around £50, and now I'm going to take it to the mechanic to fix the whole thing, and I'm gonna take you through the procedure. But before we go there, maybe you can hear it one more time. I take it down. Just listen carefully. Yeah, that's it. Right. That's how the part is looking like.
That's when the hands are not good. Hands are ugly.
Right, basically. So you just take the screw out of here, and you just drop it down, because this is where the noise is. If you moved it, you will hear a mechanical noise here. So this is the link. This is the link, very straightforward to replace. That's it. Other one, you can see it in a better way from here. Again, just take the screw off. Here's the nut, which goes right here, and yeah, there's a nut in the back side as well. Just release it, and you're good to go. This is it. Just taken out right from here, basically. And this is here. Unfortunately, I cannot do the job and film at the same time. So this is how it is. Very, very, very straight and easy procedure. That's it. This is the new part, guys. Almost there. Just will be attached here, and the knock is gonna be gone. All done, guys, and the knocking is gone. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please share, comment and like it. Au revoir.